Does using saline to rinse your client's lashes leave salt on them, weakening the bond? Welcome to the LashBiz Tip of the Week, where we help you get more clients, grow your business, and become a better lash artist. Remember when they said we couldn't swim after eating because we'd get cramps? We've also heard that using saline during lash services leaves salt on the lashes and that they will not last. Both of these are urban myths. Let me remove your fears about using saline solution to rinse, prep, or flush the eyes during a service. Some say that the salt dries and leaves a powder that can break down the bond. Let's take a look at the normal tear function of a human being. Our eyeballs come with a set of lacrimal glands that produce tears in response to emotion, reflex, like we get something in it, or the basic lubrication that is necessary for normal vision and healthy function. That's not news to most of us. We know that we produce tears, and we are aware that our tears have a natural salinity to them. Tears are salty. The saltiness helps protect us from invading bacteria. Every single day, our bodies produce a specialized brew of moisture, salt, and lipids that help lubricate the eyes and act as the first line of defense for them. Every single day, our bodies produce a specialized brew of moisture, salt, and lipids that help lubricate the eyes and act as the first line of defense for them. Every day, our lashes are exposed to salt from the normal function of our eyes. Even if you don't use saline solution, your client's eyes are exposed to salt every day. This won't hurt a cured bond. So even if you don't use saline in your lash service, your client's lashes are exposed to salt every single day as a product of being human. I have a question for you. Do we advise our clients not to cry? We do advise them not to rub, but do we fear that the foreign body tear reflex will damage their lashes? No. Saline solution is about the same salinity as our tears. It's physiologically compatible to our own tears. This minuscule amount of salt will not harm the bond. It will not cause the lashes to fall out sooner, so you can put this fear to rest. Since 2006, that's 14 years of lashing, between me and my salon, we estimate that we've done over 60,000 sets of lashes. We always flushed and rinsed with saline solution. The majority of our guests went 4 weeks between fills. We just didn't see it affecting the bond. Let's dispel the myth that salt breaks down the cyanoacrylate bond. Did you know that the adhesive of choice for saltwater aquarium enthusiasts is cyanoacrylate? It's basically the same kind of adhesive that we use on eyelashes, except that they mostly use a clear version, and it's less refined. It's super safe. They use it to bond live corals that live underwater. Cyanoacrylate won't harm the living animals, and it lasts under the salt water. Salt water in the ocean or tank is similar to our eyes. The salt doesn't have that effect on the CA bond the way that many in the lash community fear. If salt broke down the bond in a significant way, it wouldn't be used in underwater salt aquariums. That's a relief, right? One other encouragement. When the eyes are wet, we usually dry our tears pretty quickly. In order to produce salt crystals that would powder over the lashes, the water from the saline solution or tears would need to evaporate. This takes time that none of us have. When we clean lashes prior to the service or rinse them, we dry the lashes before we start to bond extensions. Who has time to wait around for evaporation? When I rinse a client's lashes, I pat them dry with a tissue. No salt powder if you do that. All right, so let's recap. Our bodies produce salt that is excreted daily in our tear film. With every blink, it is spread over the eye and over the margin of the lids. Our tears contain the same salinity of saline solution. Salt will not significantly degrade the cyanoacrylate bonds. Cyanoacrylates are the adhesive of choice to glue live corals for saltwater aquariums. Salt powder will not form on the lashes if you simply pat them dry, and even the trace amounts of salt will not impact the bonds. Well, that's your tip of the week. See you next time.